Welcome to Techlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to unarchive image on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser and then open up Google Photos. Just click on this menu icon at the top right corner, then open up Photos. Now from here, if I archived some images, just select the images and then click on three dots, then click on archive. You can see it's archived successfully. Now you have to go collections option and then scroll down, and under the collections option you can find archive option. So just click here and that's it. Here you can find your all the archived images. Now to unarchive these images, just select these images again and then click on three dots, then click on unarchive. Now if I go back photos option, and that's it. You can see it's unarchived successfully. And that is how you can unarchive image on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.